So you've probably heard people say YouTube is saturated and it is too late or too hard to start and grow up your own YouTube channel. But here is the thing, it is absolutely not too late to start up your own YouTube channel. So if anyone has ever told you that it is too late to start up your own YouTube channel, do not listen to them. In fact, right now is the best time to start and grow your own YouTube channel, and I'm going to be sharing with you why. So if you have been contemplating whether to start up a YouTube channel or if it is too late to start up a YouTube channel, this video is for you. So grab your notepad and your pen and let's dive into the business of the day. So first of all, you need to understand that there is actually no best time, age, or place to start up a YouTube channel. Where you are right now is the best time, the best place, and the best age to start up your own YouTube channel. So if you have been procrastinating because of your age, your location, that is not enough reason for you not to start creating your own content. So wherever you are, this is the best time to start and grow your own YouTube channel from the very scratch, because YouTube is the second most search engine in the world after Google, with over 200 billion monthly active users. This is a huge audience and there is room for everyone to survive and thrive in this street. So if you have been procrastinating because of fear of failure, not getting views, not growing fast, just start. And the moment you start, you will see how far you can go on YouTube. You might be thinking there are so many content creators out there doing what I'm doing or doing what I'm planning on doing. Do not let that bother you. All you need to know is that people are always looking for fresh perspective, unique voices, and new ideas. And you might be that person that someone out there is waiting for. So if you have been procrastinating because of this reason, this is the best time for you to mount that camera and start creating your content right away. The next reason why you should start up your channel right away is for personal development. YouTube is going to bring out the best in you. Being on YouTube is going to help you to come out of your comfort zone and start trying out new things like writing script, talking to the camera, editing videos. You will also learn so many things. You will overcome your fear. You will learn to speak boldly. You also improve in your personality. Being on YouTube is going to help you to bring out the best. So if you have a skill that you really want to develop, being on YouTube is going to help you to develop that skill. So one of the best places to improve yourself, both personally and career-wise, is actually on YouTube. The next reason why you should start off right away is that YouTube is going to help you to earn more money. The reason why most people are on YouTube is to become financially stable. So if you're looking for other side hustles to make more money, the best platform to actually do that is on YouTube. There are so many ways you can earn more money on YouTube even before your channel gets monetized. And some of the ways include brand deals, affiliate marketing, and selling of your own personal products. Being on YouTube is going to help your audience trust you and want to buy whatever you are selling. So if you're on YouTube, you're going to meet people that in turn might be your potential clients. So if you're a business owner and you're looking for how to get more leads for your business, being on YouTube is going to actually help you to get more leads and also help you to sell your products in no time. The next reason why you should be on YouTube is to get your message out. YouTube is one of the best platforms to share your message to the world because it has a very large audience and it is way much easier to grow on YouTube than other platforms. So if you have a message you want the world to hear, the best platform to actually do that is on YouTube. So having known the benefit of being on YouTube, the next thing you're going to be talking about is the things to expect as a beginner on YouTube. So if you are thinking of starting up your own YouTube channel as a total beginner, one thing you need to have in mind is that failure is going to be part of the journey. Yes, I know most people don't want to hear the word failure, but it is actually going to be part of the journey on YouTube. Your first 5-10 videos might not do well as you expect them to, but this is not to discourage you. It's for you to keep pushing, keep making more content until you get to where you want to be. And the next thing I want you to know is that YouTube is a marathon. You need to move at your own pace. Don't try to copy others or be like others. Yes, for some people, they grow so fast on YouTube, while for others, it takes a while. So whatever category you find yourself in, you need to learn to move at your own pace. Do not rush, do not be so fast, do not be too eager to grow. Let it move slowly, and in no time, you're going to get to where you want to be. The next thing I want you to do as a beginner on YouTube is to have a plan. What are you coming to do on YouTube? What is your plan? What do you want to talk about? What is your niche? What do you want to do on YouTube? You need to have all these things in place before you go ahead to start creating your content on YouTube as a beginner. The next thing to do is to think global. Yes, you need to have it in mind that you are talking to a global audience, and you need to learn to create content with that purpose in mind. The next thing you need to do as a beginner is you need to learn the basics. Make your research very well before you go ahead to start creating content on YouTube to avoid mistakes. With all this being said, here are a few quick tips for those thinking of starting up their own YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is that you need to know your niche. What are you coming to talk about on YouTube? You need to have that in place before you go ahead to start making your content. And the next thing you need to know is that you need to be consistent. YouTube is a lot of hard work. It requires a lot of time, and you need to be consistent. If you really want to grow on YouTube, you have to be consistent and also learn to give value. The next thing you need to grow your own channel in no time is to engage with your audience. The reason why you're on YouTube is to help people, so you need to learn how to engage with your audience, know what they want, and create content relating to what they want. So is it too late to start and grow your own YouTube channel? Well, there is so much opportunity out there. The most important thing you need to do is just to start. Just start the process and watch how it's going to unfold. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.